Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I cannot believe today is the last day of Vlogmas. I had so much fun filming it and I'm so glad that I filmed it a couple of months before December. So anyway, today is day 31 and today we're going to be doing a New Year's makeup look. So by the time this video goes up, it'll be New Year's Day actually. So happy New Year's everyone. So I have my base makeup completely done. For this look, I just wanted to focus really on the eyes. So that's why I already have my base done. So let's get into the eye look. So my eyes are already primed. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes The Neutrals eyeshadow palette. We are going, I actually don't know what shade I want to use. Okay, actually this shade. I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is MN, I think it's MN5, yeah. I'm going to use a smaller fluffy brush. This is the BK Beauty and Energy Hot and Flashy A504 brush. I'm going to start by applying it on the outer part of the eye and then kind of flick it out. And then kind of do that like nose contour, eye contour thing right in this inner part of the eye. Alright, I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to focus this more on the lash line first. And bring it up to where we winged it out a little bit. I kind of like to also connect it up into the crease with this. Okay, so I actually do want to warm it up just a little bit. So I'm going to take the Morphe M453 brush. We're going to go into the original Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this shade, which is Matte 4, to warm up the crease a little bit. I'm going to go back into the other brush that we were using, if I can find it, there we go. And just kind of reapply that first shade in the outer corner. Then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take my highlighter that I used on the face. This is the PHA Cream and Powder Duo, and I'm going to use my finger for this. I'm going to use the powder side first. I'm just going to apply that right on top, or right on the lid. Okay, I actually do want a little bit more depth on the outer part of the eye. So I'm going to go into the Neutrals palette. We're going to go to the shade directly below it, the first shade that we used, and this one is MN9. I'm just going to apply this kind of right on the outer part of the eye. And for eyeliner, since we kind of have a little bit of a wing already with the cat eye shape, I'm only going to line the lash line. I'm not going to create a wing. Alright, to set the eyeliner that we just placed, I'm going to go in the shade MN10, which is this one, just to set the eyeliner that we placed. Okay, for mascara today, I'm going to use the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. This is in the shade Black. I think I'm going to leave the lower lash line bare, but I am going to apply the same mascara to the bottom lashes. Alright, for lip liner, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Anywhere Caffeine. And I'm going to take the Anastasia Lip Velvet in Crush. So for this look, I wanted to actually show two different ways to wear the lip for this look. So here's just a matte for the lips. I might actually, for New Year's Eve does come, I think I am going to add a gloss. This is the Ravie Beauty Lip Renewal Treatment Oil that I'm going to apply as a gloss. I do have to wipe the actual applicator so the color doesn't mess up the formula in the packaging, but the lips are done. I love how they look. Next, I'm going to apply the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And I'm going to finish off with the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting. So that was it for today's video. I absolutely love how this makeup look turned out. So like I said, by the time this video goes up, it'll be it'll be New Year's Day. Today is actually the last video of Vlogmas. So I hope you all enjoyed this year's Vlogmas, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!